Hey, this is Kurt's Boat Doctor. I just got done breaking in your motor. I did a 1 hour, and then let it rest for 15 minutes up here at the lake. Beautiful. It was warm. That was kind of cooling off. We're getting a little north wind. Anyway, hey, the boat runs really good. You got about maybe 15 minutes, between 4,000 and 5,000. After that, you can run it like you stole it. All right, let's see here. Let's see what we're gonna do here. So we're gonna fire it up first. Hey, you like my makeshift gas tanks and battery? So here, we're gonna go ahead and start it. Hey, how come it ain't starting up? Huh? It's quiet. Huh? Ain't starting up. Oh, wrong control box. Oh, silly me, silly me. Okay, so then we'll get in here. Oh, here it is. So just turn the key, just put it in gear there, make sure it says the hours, hit the set button until you see a T, hold that until you see a troll, and every time you push that it goes up 50. There's 800, 850, yeah, 1,000, wow. You can troll with this. And then of course if you want it off, just hold on that or put it in gear. If the T comes up, just pop it out. Yeah, some deadheads around here. Nice boat though. This doesn't porpoise on you or slap up in the bow. Pretty stable, real responsive. So yeah, it got some guts. 115/80. Motor's at the right height. Turns 5,500.